All right, we begin. Some breaking news just coming in. Supreme Court of India has now stayed the order of the Delhi High Court, which earlier suspended the life sentence of expelled Bharatiya Janata Party leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the 2017 Unnao rape case. Now, this is just coming in. Earlier, it was the Delhi High Court that order that had granted bail to Kuldeep Singh Sengar, and our Supreme Court has now stayed this Delhi High Court that granted bail to Kuldeep Singh Sengar in the Unnao rape case that happened in 2017. And this is the news that we are just getting in. This is in the Unnao rape case that the Supreme Court has now stayed the Delhi High Court order that suspended the life sentence of expelled BJP leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar in 2017 Unnao rape case. On 23rd of December, the High Court had suspended the jail term of Sengar, who was serving a life sentence in the 2017 Unnao rape case, saying he had already served 7 years and 5 months in prison. Now, Sengar had challenged the December 2019 trial court verdict in this case. However, the former BJP MLA will remain in jail. Of course, now we know that Supreme Court has now paused the Unnao rape case accused bail. Joining us now to give us the latest on this on the phone line is our correspondent, Amjad Kaur. Thank you so much, Amjad, for joining us right now. What we know is the Supreme Court has now stayed the Delhi High Court order. What is the latest that you can bring in for us? And what happens next?
Well, you're absolutely right, Jyotsna. That is the latest that has come in. The three-judge bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, has put a say on the High Court's order with respect to the bail that has been granted to the ex-BJP MLA in this particular case. Now, having said that, this entire case, the twist in the case, followed an uproar and also the CBI approaching the Supreme Court to challenge the High Court's order and appeal it with reference to the verdict that came just a few days ago. And not just the CBI, there was also a lot of social uproar with respect to the case. We saw a lot of protests breaking out in Jantar Mantar last evening, a lot of activists who had come out on the street, a lot of women who came out on the street, including the rape survivor herself, who questioned this entire judgment that was given by the High Court. So there is now a legal proceeding that is going to unfold from here on, Jyotsna. It remains to be seen what the Supreme Court says with respect to the lower court's justice, the lower court's verdict that was given just a few days back, and whether that will be reversed. Currently, it's just a stay, which means that that entire legal proceeding has been postponed for the moment. But whether or not it will be reversed, what kind of a judgment the three-justice bench gives, that is something we have to wait and watch out for.
All right, of course, we'll be looking forward to any updates and getting back to you for that. Thank you so much, Amjad, for getting us the latest details.